Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I decided to style Chris's office. I'm starting with the desk first, so I wanted to film this quick video for you guys. This beautiful desk was made by our friend Jared from Woodworks by Jared. It's a beautiful walnut slab, and he's filled in some of the holes with a nice blue resin, and also outfitted with these steel legs to give it that industrial touch that we were wanting in his office. So just keep watching and you can see me styling his desk. I keep it pretty simple, not a lot of clutter, because I know he likes to have a nice workspace. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. So I will be revealing the rest of this space probably in the next couple of weeks. We have a few things, little tweaks to take care of, like hanging things on the wall. But I wanted to start off with his desk today. So I like to group things in 2s or 3s. And then in the middle, I decided to do some of his favorite books. He has a love of Captain America, so I have little touches of that just to make it personal and to give it enough space that you can still work and not run into things. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for flying by today. Again, I'll leave Jared's information in the description of this video. He does share all of his pieces that he's done over on his Instagram, Facebook, as well as all of his products are sold on Etsy, and he does actually ship nationwide. You can also read more details over on my blog today at robynssouthernnest.com. And again, thank you so much for flying by, and I'll talk to you guys soon.